Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel. Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's well. We're still in May. Next month is June. That will be the last season for Texas storm season of 2021. We do have a thunderstorm coming in from the west, and if you look over there, guys, you can see the storm cloud just rolling in. But I wanted to show you guys over there. Look at that. Look at that. And if you can see in between the trees, the golly. There we go. And bring that down a bit. Oh, that was a bit of clap of thunder. That's a beautiful sound of the thunder. Okay, you guys, I'll be back so I can look at the radar.